is Sarah Preston, and right now I'm going to be using the analytical balance. So to start off, I'm going to take a 100 ml beaker, slide open the door of my balance, and place the beaker on the balance. I'm going to close the door before I zero out balance using the chair button. Now that the balance has zeroed, I can grab my sample, here's sodium chloride, and begin carefully scooping it in to the beaker by opening one of the doors. So I am taking a small amount of sample onto the spatula and very carefully screening it into the beaker, avoiding spilling anything on the balance. Any sample that gets onto the balance but not into the beaker can lead inaccuracies in measurements. I am approaching our target mass of 1 gram, so I'm going to start adding in smaller quantities so I can make sure that I do not overshoot.
Today I'm going to talk about pipetting. So first,
7 milligrams.
I'm not wearing gloves, non-hazardous
quickly
material.
add
But second, this is a
small amount
graduated pipette.
so
our first step is
1 gram.
wash this with water and then wash again with our solution to decontaminate the solution in your application. So after you've done those steps, then you compress the ball.
Now that my
Insert it to the top,
just about
and then you press this button here
a bit more.
to intake the solution, and then this button here to extract it. So we're going to 6 milliliters. That's
Now I'm going to close the door to get a final reading. I've just undershot our 1 gram with a mass of 0.9981 grams.
taking it out.
Now that I have weighed out 1 gram of our sample, I'm going to remove the beaker from the balance and make sure that the doors are closed. Now I'm going to repeat a similar procedure with weighing paper. So I've taken a piece of weighing paper and folded it in half along a diagonal, and then opened it back up to give a surface to place our sample on. I'll open the door of the balance again, place the weighing paper on the balance, and use the chair button to zero out the balance. Once the balance is zeroed, I can open the door again.
So I'm going to
resume
now
measuring
put this horizontal. I'm going to take this off, put my finger on it, and
just like before, I'm using a spatula and taking a small scoop of sample and placing them gently on the balance pad.
there. Then I'm at 10 milliliters in here. So if I'm going to dispense 6 milliliters, I should have 4 milliliters left. So I should dispense to the 6 milliliter right there. Okay. And now we can see that my meniscus is at 6.
And I'm once again approaching the 1 gram mark, so I'm going to slow down the amount that I am placing on the balance each time. And I'm now going to close the door to get a final, more accurate reading from the balance. So this time we have 0.9981 0.0087 grams. In order to sterilely transfer the salt to a beaker, I'm going to open the door, grab onto the weighing paper very gently, making sure I don't lose any sample, and make sure that the door is closed after I take my sample out. I'm then going to place my sample above a 1 ml beaker and use the eye water to ensure that all of the sample meets the weighing paper.